country people, and welcome back to my channel today. See Gobe winner, wey be say they call Ife Money, don't come out to come give us the reason why Laycon, White Money, Bryan and V no gree blow for the music industry. And also Cross and Ilebaye don't come out to come confirm dating rumors. And lastly, Soma for a recent interview don't talk one or two about a relationship with Angel after they see Angel with Cross last night. So Soma they invite am for channel television wey be say they go invite am for a particular interview. For there, they come they ask the guy about a relationship with Angel. So he come they try to tell the interviewer to say, see, I think say when I bring me come here for other important questions. Now somebody say, are you telling us that your relationship life is not important? I think I'll say, well, not be saying not important. Say actually he and Angel they still they cool and they are still together prior to the gossip where we say with the year say two of them don't break up. So make una listen to who how to answer that question for yourself.
In an enclosed space, this team is going to blow off.
Yeah.
Eventually, we saw you guys. You're still together, right?
Yeah, we are. We are together.
No, it's a straight question.
It's
not complicated.
Oh, we're together. We're together.
In what sense of together?
In the sense of together that you mean.
It's like in a relationship.
Yes, we are. We are. You know. We're good.
We'll not let you go, you know.
Yeah,
we are together too.
We are together. We're together right now.
So, are you in a relationship with Angel as we speak?
I feel like there are other more important stuff to talk about right now.
Right. Okay. So your love life is not important.
No, my love life is important, but I like to keep my love life private. I've seen how the public sort of influences and you know, so I've come to the point where I feel like
you said that you are ready, and I was just reading that you are ready to what? You are ready to start your family next year. That was in 2023. So Monday 2020.
Family, I said that now. It's like
yeah, but we saw you guys do, you know, that brand video for a particular. I don't want to mention the brand now, and you guys look really cozy and charming.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, of course, we could cozy like that.
Cozy like
the
that.
The way the three of you are just eyeballing me, I'm like.
The reason I was actually asking the question was because when people have seen Angel before, and they have a perception of her, and they have a perception of you, and then seeing both of you together, they're like, can Soma handle Angel? And whatever that meant, maybe you'll be able to explain. Maybe they say, Soma is too calm, and Angel likes maybe a certain kind of guys. You know, I don't know what that means. So, were you faced with those kind of challenges, even in the house and outside the house? Did you get that feeling that people felt like, guy, this may not last?
Everybody has their opinions of, you know, they have their opinions. They think they know, and people think they know people from watching them on the screen. But you can never fully know somebody except you spend time with the person.
Exactly.
You know, so about Angel and looking at her in a certain light, I think you need to get to know someone personally before you start making assumptions about them and their lives, basically.
Yeah, the reason, that's why I asked the question, so that you that is close to her will be able to maybe debunk all of that, because this is our perception of people, which is their own reality. Because
we could just see some fans' reaction over this Soma answer to the interviewer. The first person say, why won't they ask you about Angel when you came up to build your entire brand around a ship? Another one said the relationship don't enter rock since after his birthday. They ain't together anymore and there's no privacy going on. All they wanted was the shipper's money, and immediately they got it, it was over. Laugh out loud. These two were seen separately at the AMVCA without any interaction. He just couldn't say they are not dating anymore. Another one say, just answer a question, Oga. On the way Soma they stutter, they do math one kind, you go not say no one answer that question. The interviewers una invite Soma come on a show, una won't make the interview about Angel. Like, what is the reason for that? The reason why everybody is so invested in this particular ship. See the way people just they shout, they complain. Even if they are not together, and so what? Why not ask the guy about his recent jobs, his recent project, what thing they do? Why ask about his personal life? Like, the thing just did somehow to me. And new Nigerian anthem now they don't bring. So I think all of us need to come together, start to learn that thing. That's not the important thing right now. Ilebaye and Cross matter, we just see two of them. So big children, they went out yesterday night, they went clubbing, celebrating. We not say they celebrate, but I just think they went out to have fun. So check for the video, you go see some of una fave there. They just did enjoy themselves. But when they see Cross and Ilebaye, they do whispering, they hold each other. From inside the house, Ilebaye don't they jump from Cross to wetin be that boy name Neo that time, all those type of thing. All of us sit and say she get one, she the eye cross one kind, but the thing not come work out. So now when we say she don't finally win the Big Brother money and she don't come out of there, she's free to shoot her shot with the cross. So two of them, they whisper for each other ear. One thing when we say labor and none of you see, Cross is a very corny person. Cross said a lot of bad things about this girl for her back, where she know I should say she go don't watch her, but she choose not to pay any attention to that, which is also good. But most of the time the good man person they careful for people where we say they carry around, because Cross look like a person where we say go just chop you, he go claim mat. So make we see fans reaction for this video where two of them they do lovey. First person here say labor do not understand boundaries. Cross is too loose. No wonder no girl take him serious. Another one say some J wear J in the mud. If you check for that video, you go see Angel for there, they laugh, they do all those ones. So man not dey there. Another one can say, and so what about it? Abi you want them to remain enemies forever? Another one say, so Ilebaye and Cross, but these people just cruising. Well, if na Cross Ilebaye say she won't go dey follow, I never wan even start to dey talk enter DSF, because that one see as the thing end for him and Angel, where Angel talk say Cross dey borrow her money, Cross dey collect her money that time for reunion. Una hear am when she dey talk am, so make Ilebaye shine her eye if she no want make her money short. So onto Efe matter, Efe na the winner of Sigobe BB Naija Sigobe season, that is season 2, and he get some kind squabbles with multi-choice that period, where we say if una notice, una no dey see Efe face for multi-choice at all for television, you no go see am for there. Even for MTV base, all those places, you no go see them, they play the guy song. So for a recent interview where we say the guy going can give reasons why he colleagues website they call Bryan, Laycon, V and White Money no make am for the music industry. For those of now where we say no, not all these people they sing, they were singers even before they enter inside Big Brother house. They went inside Big Brother house to promote their music. So when all of them come out from the Big Brother house, all of them enter into the music fully, but they struggle. So if now they give us the reasons why the team be like that, so we can listen to it, he talk for herself.
Laycon did it, and people have also been pushing him on the side as well. Yes. V did it, they've pushed that on the side. White Money did it, they've pushed him on the side. What do you think is really happening in that aspect?
First thing is the audience, the kind of audience. I've said this over and over in different interviews, I'll still repeat it again. The reality TV audience are almost totally different from the music audience. The reality TV audience are passive consumers of music. They enjoy lifestyle, they enjoy drama, they enjoy anything apart from music, while the active music consumers are totally different. So in that sense, when you go to reality TV, they just want to see you for your fine clothes, your drama, who you are dating. So they have less interest in your music, and those make the core fan base that you control, because that's where your fans are. So they don't help to amplify your music down.
Oh, if I can get you what you're saying correctly, are you trying to say that the fans that you gather on the show,
yes, they are reality TV fans,
necessarily do not want to see you sing?
Yeah, they don't necessarily
want to see you sing.
No, they just want to see what's happening in your life, not necessarily music. They are passive listeners of music, of saying that if a music blows, they will consume it, but say they should support
you.
Yeah, no, not really.
Oh,
the first stages they will start, then over time they will go back to base, you know. It's just normal.
Are you going to say that's one of the major problem with this Big Brother Naija?
Yeah, because most of the people who have come out to do music are actually great artists, but eventually they bow to the pressure and the challenges get enormous. So some people stop, some people continue, but for stubborn boy like me, we die here.
The truth be say, if he has a solid point, if you not check and wear, because BB Naija fans are only interested in seeing your lifestyle, nothing else. That's why most of all these housemates, when they come out, when they know they get endorsement, when they know they get this one, fans they see them as failure. I say it just be any music where we say anything where we say they do, you need to target the right audience. Like for BB Naija show now, the audience where we say they watch BB Naija, they different from the music industry audience, according to what if they try to explain. So now be the reason why the team be like that for them. It don't mean to say they're not they talented. So fans can't come out, can't react to this particular interview where if money do. The first person here said they wanted to silence him. No grief for anybody. Do you the word we adjust. Remember, so when if he come at that when he sing, so everybody they mock and say he not sabi sing, he not sabi do this, make he not spend the money finish singing song where we say he not sabi sing. Another person go say he's in a better mental space now, and that's great. Some years back he was very bitter and vindictive. Kudos to him for pulling himself together. The last person here say, Sha, if you get talent, because it's not only BBN fans that you're singing for. Make good music, pay for PRO, do challenges, which will blow. But now you people still want BBN fans to buy themselves for you when you are obviously lazy to push your music. Another thing na promotion. If you be music person, you need to promote your music well, but promotion doesn't come easily. Now money na they promote all those things, and these people they are still struggling. And BBN not dey favor men the way they favor the women. I dey wish all of them success for their career. Una take care, una bye.